folks, this is Liu Will channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called tiger skin and fried peppers. Its Chinese name called 虎皮青椒. For the main ingredient we need the just the peppers. You need a lot of peppers. If you don't have enough peppers, you can cut it, get the seeds out, cut it, slice it to short pieces, and do this dish. Yeah, today I will just do it as very original way. And usually you have the meat, something, but you also, if you want to have the meat version or without meat version, you can cook it without meat or with meat. Today we cook it with the meat, so you probably need a half pound of ground pork or ground beef. Any ground meat is okay. And also need a ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we will process the green pepper. We cut the peppers here. Don't cut through it. So it's good for us to pull the inside out. Just put the seeds out. The peppers down. So for the holes, we just cut this way. Those that's my friend from Woodland Farm, and they give me those, and so I can make this dish. And pull the insides out. The seeds. Okay, put the peppers there. Yeah, well, we can just cut through it and get it with the holes and back part. We just take it off. We use the finger to get the inside those seeds or this inside out. Get the seeds out. So those the pepper we get it. Yeah, then we just use those peppers. If you don't have this much pepper, what do? You can cut it to like this. Cut it to like this, and you can put the fillings or without the fillings. Yeah, you can decide. If you don't have fillings, you can don't make fillings. It's just without meat. If you have fillings, you can just put the meat as a sausage and make it to fill it. Okay, we cut 1 teaspoon ginger. Okay, this is the ground pork. You can use ground beef or ground turkey or ground venison. Any ground meat is okay. So right now we don't need this much meat, but because I will try to make more sausage. Make a sausage, and then I can use it later for other stuff. So I put 1 pound meat into it. Actually, just use a half pound will be enough. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. This is the 13 spices. If you don't have 13 spices, you can use 5 spices or just the black pepper. You add a pinch, not too much, to the meat. Remember, we already chopped some gingers already and in this pot to mix with this meat. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Any brand soy sauce is okay. We need one whole egg. We add one whole egg to it. Now we mix it. Just mix to one direction. This is a potato starch. You can add a corn starch, any starch is okay. Just add 1 teaspoon starch to it. Don't add too much. Now keep mixing until the meat become mixed well and stick to each other, very sticky, and be done. This is vegetable oil, and add 1 teaspoon vegetable oil to it. Don't add too much. Now keep mixing. Just to one direction. Until meat just you can see they have become very sticky, and it's hard for you to mix it. Then this meat is done. You see. You get the pepper. You can have so put the fillings into the. If you don't have a lot of pepper, you can cut it to short piece. Let it surround and fill the meat to the filling. That's it. Fill it. Mix it. It should be like this. Put it here. Or if you have a lot of pepper, you can get a whole pepper and feed the meat into the whole pepper. You can do this add the fillings or without the fillings. It's without filling it's also good. Yeah, the same way we cook it. Yeah, so it has some holes, so don't worry. The filling won't come out because this meat is already very sticky. So just you can add like the pepper and fill with meat. Okay, we keep filling into the green pepper until we use all the peppers. The meat into the pepper, but don't break the pepper. Try your best, don't break the pepper. A little break, it's okay, don't worry. Meat won't fall out when you fry it.
I can't wait for your food.
So the peppers we fill with the meat. You can fill the meat, or you can don't have anything. You have fillings. Either way, it's okay. It tastes good. Turn on the stove. Medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to it. Again, rinse the pot. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to the oil. When the oil is hot, we add the stuffed pepper into it. Be very careful. You can use a chopstick to pick it and put it into it. Just be careful, don't burn by the oil. Cover the lid, let the oil fry. Well, the way the pepper is frying, we make a liquid starch. 1 teaspoon of potato starch. You can use cornstarch and starch, it's okay. And add a quarter cup of water and mix it. So this starch all dissolved in the water. Okay, right now, no stir. Okay, starch we will use later. We put it back to the way and we use later. Okay, you can turn over the pepper to fry the other side. Just be careful, don't burn by the oil. You see the pepper skin change, it become like this, shrink and brown. That's like it's like a tiger's skin, so that's why they call it fried tiger skin and green pepper. Okay, we cover it, keep it frying. Okay, we check the pepper. We found that the outside of pepper, the color all change. If the change is fried, and it becomes like this. This is the soy sauce. Any brand soy sauce is okay. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. We add it by the side of the pot, not on the pepper. Okay, here we mix it. You just fry like this. This is a white vinegar. We add 1 tablespoon white vinegar to it. Okay. Now we add 1 cup of cold tap water to it. This is the chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it, don't add too much. Okay. Just like this, don't stir, just like this. And cover the lid and cook this green pepper for, I think for 5 to 10 minutes. And you need to check it. Okay, we check it. We check the flavor. It's good. We check the meat. I think the meat is cooked. And if you're not sure, you can get one out and cut it to see the meat is cooked or not. I think the meat is cooked. So now we get the pepper out. Put the pepper in the pot. Now we make the sauce. This is the liquid starch we make it. Right now we add this liquid starch to it. We turn the fire to the high fire. Okay. We add it slowly, don't add it. Okay. Okay. Mix it. We add some sesame oil to it. Add a little sesame oil to it. Okay, we can sauce it down. We turn off the stove. Put the sauce on top of the stuff. Stuff the pepper. So fried tiger skin and green pepper. It's done, and I hope you like it.